because you want to run 2S. But then if you want to do the hop-ups like I did, the center diff is $45. These wheels are $25 a pair. That's $50 for wheels. I did change out the shock oil. I put 40 weight in it because they come standard with like 30, 35. I put 40 weight in it, and a bottle of shock oil is about $15. So, yep. So it adds up a little bit, but you could buy the basic truck. It comes standard with a slipper in it, but I put a differential in it, center diff. But it comes standard with a slipper in it, and it does okay. This is a BL2S, so this has got a brushless, which is equivalent to about a 10-turn motor, roughly. So, yeah. Yeah, the only thing that would come with this battery is occasionally Traxxas will offer a combo where if you buy the truck, they will give you a battery and their Traxxas charger. But most generally, nothing comes with a battery. Nothing. This didn't come with battery. This is what I run in the drag truck right now. This is what's in there. I got 2 of these 3S. Otherwise, I use these 2S in the drag truck. So all of my trucks I have here, all use the same battery. So, yep. Yeah, because everybody wants to use their certain kind of batteries. And these batteries are a good deal. Amazon had these 2 for $28. And you can see what I did. I bought a bunch of them over the time. So they're good batteries. And this charger happened to be at Amazon. And I looked up and I wanted to get a second charger. And this was 28 bucks. It's an 80-watt charger. It comes with a bunch of different adapters for batteries. You can even hook it to a car battery. And it has its own power supply. Everything is here. And it works just like this one. So you can it has storage mode, fast charge, balance, and all that. And for 28 bucks, it wasn't a bad deal. I don't know if it's still on sale or not, but yep. Pretty windy outside. It wasn't this morning I was outside. I was actually doing some yard work, and it was not windy at all. It's pretty windy here, so. Yep, this truck definitely doesn't come with batteries because, you don't know. Some guys might want to do like I do. They might want to run race packs through it. So, Oh, I didn't show you this, guys. I'll show you something. Okay, I'll put it here where I got to put it this way so I can get to the on-off button. Okay, we're going to go like this. I reach in here a minute. Okay, there's the headlights, as everybody saw. There's your headlights. Now, if we go around back, there, it's got the taillight kit in it. Real easy kit to install. Oh yeah. You can order this truck, you can order through Traxxas. They give you options. So if you order like the headlights from Traxxas in the front, you can get them with red, blue, whatever color light you want. So I already had these lights, so I just made use of them. Yep. So I just made use of them. I already had them here, so they went in the truck. I ordered them for something else, and discovered I didn't need them.